Hey up everyone, so in this video I'm just going to show you how to get the Euphoria Lollipop Rom on your OnePlus One, and as usual I'll leave the links to everything in the video description, but you can see here this is where you get the ROM from on XDA, and you can get the also Fastboot Software from this particular place. Which is like a slimmed down version of the Android development platform. We don't need the full lot. We can get the TWRP, the Win Project recovery, from here as well on this particular web page. Get the one at the top, the one at the bottom in fact, which is the most recent, judging by the date. And on this page you can see the SuperSU program, which you can download that and that will root your device. And on this page we can see the Google Apps latest Lollipop version, so get the top one, and put everything basically in the same folder on your desktop so that you've got everything nice and there and ready. So as you can see, I've got this folder set up, and what you want to do here as well would be useful to drag the ROM when that downloads. It shouldn't take long because it is a small ROM. Drag that to your OnePlus One, as well as extract the Fastboot software. So you can see that I've extracted the Android SDK Slim folder and put that there. I'm dragging the ROM to the OnePlus One, and also your Google Apps software that needs to go on your OnePlus One, and also your root SuperSU software. Put that on your OnePlus One. So on your OnePlus One, you just need to go into the About phone area, and as usual, hit build number a couple of times, and then until you're a developer it will say that, and then go into developer options and tick USB debugging, and also there's an option called CM update or something, update CM recovery. You need to untick that. Then you need to power the device off, and then hold down the power button and the volume up button at the same time for about 5 seconds or so, until you see the fast boot mode come on. And then on your computer you need to hold shift and then right click and then open command prompt in the Fastboot folder, and then you can just run these commands basically, and it should show you the device in Fastboot mode if it's connected properly. Make sure your drivers are installed, and then you just unlock the device basically, unlock the bootloader. You can see that Fastboot OEM unlock does that. Make sure you backed up your stuff before you do that, in fact, because it might wipe your phone as well. And then you can reboot as well, doing a Fastboot reboot. So that's unlocked your bootloader. Now we need to install the custom recovery. So go back to your main folder and rename this file, your recovery file, to just recovery.image or recovery.img, and then move that to your main Fastboot folder in there. And then with your Fastboot still open, your command prompt, you just need to run, you can check that your device is still being detected by just running Fastboot devices again, which I think I do that just to make sure that it's still connected. And then once you've done that, just copy and paste that command, fastboot flash recovery.image, and then enter, and then that will install the custom recovery. Then you can reboot the device again using Fastboot Reboot. Back on your device, once it's booted up again, power off, and then hold the power button down and the volume down button this time, and then you'll enter your recovery mode. You only need to hold them for about 4 seconds. And then eventually you'll go into your team win recovery, and then it's quite straightforward from here. Just wipe your data, your cache, etc., which readies the device already. Quite hard to do this one-handed, as you can see. But once you've done that, go back and install the root to root your device. So that's SuperSU. Swipe to flash. If you're a bit worried, you can also do an Android backup at this point by rebooting into the main operating system and downloading it off the Play Store. But I'm just going to go ahead and install the ROM here. There's very little bad can happen as long as you know what you're doing. So just installing the ROM here, shouldn't take too long. And that's completed, and then you just do the Google Apps, which is the GApps zip, and flash that. I am installing the full Google Apps package, but there are other packages on the internet that you can get which are more toned down if you want to, really maximize the space for your device. Then again, this one that I've got 64 gigs, so it's not really a big issue. And then that's it, you just reboot the system. And it will certainly take a while to reboot on the first boot. I counted about 10 minutes on mine. I was getting a bit hesitant, thinking I might need to flash it again, but do wait for about 10-15 minutes when it's on this screen, and it will get there eventually. But yeah, you're done after that, and I hope you enjoy the Lollipop on your OnePlus One until they push out the official one. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Cheers.